celestial objects in our solar system. Alright, our sun, Earth's sun, is a star like other stars located outside our solar system. You go outside at night and you can see hundreds of thousands of stars. Okay, they're all similar to our sun. A star is an extremely hot, dense mass of gases. As these gases undergo nuclear fusion, the star gives off visible light. So our sun is like a giant ball of gas that's undergoing nuclear fusion. That's what gives it its light and its heat. Our sun is medium-sized compared to other stars, but it's still the most massive object in our solar system. This picture compares our sun, which is a medium-sized star, to some other stars that you can observe in the sky: Sirius, Pollux, and I don't even know how to say that one. Arcturus. Okay. Ours is pretty small compared to some, but it's actually medium-sized because there are smaller stars than ours, our sun. Okay. The sun, like I said, was the most massive thing in our solar system. 99% of the mass of our solar system is our sun. It has enough mass that its gravity, its gravitational pull, holds the planets and other objects in our solar system in orbit around it. Okay, when things travel around a star, that's called an orbit. The sun also does rotate or spin on its axis, so it's spinning around while it's traveling through space. Okay, let's talk about the planets. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets. Yes, 8, not 9. We'll talk about Pluto in a little bit. The 4 planets closest to the sun are the inner planets. That's Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Okay, what are the inner planets like? Well, they're mostly solid. They're made up of rock. They're rocky or terrestrial. When we say something is terrestrial planet or a terrestrial moon, that means it's made of rocks. Okay. These inner planets are all made up of minerals that are similar to those on Earth. These planets are smaller in size compared to the outer planets. Okay, and actually, of the inner planets, Earth is the largest. Venus is the closest in size to Earth. Mars is about 1/3 the size of Earth, and then Mercury is even smaller than that. Right? The outer planets, the 4 planets that are farthest from the sun, are called outer planets, and they include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, the characteristics of these planets: they're mostly made up of gas. They're not really solid, at least we're not sure. They may have a solid core, but they're mostly just gas. Their inner cores may contain solid matter that is surrounded by some liquids. Like I said, we're not quite sure what's in there. Never been to one of these planets. They are larger, much larger in size. In fact, Earth on Jupiter right here, Earth would pretty much fit right inside this giant red spot on Jupiter. And they are colder, much colder than the inner planets because they're further away from the sun. Okay.